Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll be testing a shampoo bar on my natural curly hair. This bar smells so good, by the way. It is the Honey's Handmade Light Beer and Ale Honey Lather from the Melbas Kitchen collection number 2. I received this way back when, a few months ago, when I went to the Honey Handmade's Melbas Kitchen collection launch party, and I was so excited and curious to try this in my next wash day, and I finally got around to testing it out, and it was definitely something I wish I had before. So I am starting off today on an old wash and go, and after I wet my hair, I just started by rubbing the bar directly onto my hair. My hair felt like it was like a regular shampoo, honestly, to me. I do like the precision of just adding it to my hair in the different sections, since I can choose with the bar easier than I could choose with like a runny shampoo or shampoo in general. It cleaned my hair really well. I liked it, and it was just mimicked shampoo to me. I couldn't find any difference between it and a regular shampoo that I already have in my collection, honestly, for me, besides the fact that it smelled so divinely good to me. I loved the way this thing smelled. It was addictive. My hair didn't have any buildup left over. My scalp was clean. I was pretty happy with this. It treated my hair like a regular shampoo would have treated my hair, and that's all that I can really ask for. It is the standard that I live by for my shampoos. If it can't clean my hair, I don't consider it a shampoo. Honestly, I just consider it trash. So I'm happy about that. Now, my final thoughts on using a shampoo bar for the very first time. I think it went pretty well, in all honesty. It did not let me down. It did not disappoint me, but honestly, I can only say I'm not revolutionized. I will not be switching my entire hair care regimen to a shampoo bar. And I do believe it's great for travel though, especially if you only travel with a carry-on, because those 4 ounces just don't make it, or the 2 ounces, whatever ounce you can take on, it just doesn't make it to cover my entire head. So I do believe that I will continue to use my regular shampoo, the liquid kind, but I do think that this will be a great addition for my travels, and that is what I'm going to reserve it for. Besides the fact that it just smells so good, and I know that the collection isn't sold right now. The collection is a limited edition type collection, so I wouldn't be able to rebuy the shampoo bar, and the scent is what really just stole my heart. It is my favorite scent. It has like this apple cider scent, and it just makes my heart feel so happy and warm and comforted. So that's the other reason I plan on saving it. I have no desire to run out of it, in all honesty. And once I was done with all of that, I literally just went in with my regular wash day routine. I ended up using the Camille Moroccan Pear conditioner to detangle my hair, as well as the Mielle Organics Babassu and Mint deep conditioner treatment to strengthen my hair. Unfortunately, I was pretty much almost out of it, so I was so sad because it's one of my favorite deep conditioners, but I was able to get somewhat of my hair covered, 75%. Not too bad. I wish I had the whole 100%, but it's okay. Let me know if you guys know any conditioning bars that I should try next, because that'll be the perfect addition to the shampoo bar for my travel bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.